Everyone is guilty of using saturation incorrectly, and that's what I like to call art. Today you're getting a 2-for-1 deal. A shootout of saturation plugins done tastefully the way saturation was intended to be, and then a side-by-side comparison of what these plugins sound like when we send them into overdrive. The plugins we're running vocals through today are Baby Audio's TAIP, AudioHertz AC-1, Output Thermal, Soundtoys Decapitator, and Musik Hack's Fuel. When I was brand new to recording and my vocals sounded terrible, I experimented with different effects plugins to hide my insecurities. And one of those first sounds that I realized I liked was the sound of running my voice through a guitar amp plugin. And that's not too different from how people abuse saturation plugins. I had no idea what I was doing. I just knew I liked how it sounded. And at the end of the day, that is all that actually matters. Okay, first of all, what are saturation plugins anyway? They are plugins that force what might have been clean audio to begin with to sound like it's clipping, like the gain is too high, but in a controlled way. It's harmonic distortion that can be used to add warmth and that lovely analog feel, or it can be pushed to more aggressive distortion with that gritty, buzzy sound. If your vocals feel sterile and lackluster, even though you put a really nice reverb on them, the first part of this shootout might be your solution, and we have 5 plugins to listen to. And believe it or not, I reached to all 5 of these depending on my mood. Saturation might be the most slept on type of plugin, and it can really be one of those secret weapons in your toolbox. So let's take a listen. Here's just the clean vocal snippet of what we're going to be listening to today. Cute. That's my voice, and I'm Kimera if we haven't met. Lovely to have you here. So I've already dialed in my favorite settings for each of these so we can get a good side-by-side comparison. But as a bonus, after this shootout, I'll do a quick preset roulette and cycle through some of their presets so you can hear more variety. Starting with our tasteful saturation settings, we're listening for that nice analog warmth with some subtle soft clipping. No crazy distortion just yet. And I'm gonna move kind of quickly so you can really hear side-by-side. Lovely, lovely. Super tasty. What are you guys hearing? I'm hearing that I need to add saturation to all my songs because I don't always use it. I really love the warm richness that it's adding. But what about sending these into overdrive and really pushing these to give us a lot more clipping, a lot more distortion? It's actually really popular to do this in sync licensing music. You'll hear this all over reality TV shows, but you might want to use it just like on some cool ad-libs in the background or to highlight real special moments in your song. I don't personally think I'd make it my whole song, but some people do. All right, so here are the same exact plugins with a more aggressive sound. Sick. I love that one. I really love all these plugins. They each have so many cool little nuances. What you just heard would be my go-to settings, but they all do a lot more than just that. So let's cycle through some different vibes we can get out of this. I'm just gonna loop this vocal part and keep clicking around. Get out your notepad and take notes on your faves. Let's check it out. Whoa. Super cool. Some of the parameters it gives us is noise, wear, like how worn out it is, glue, presence, high shape, low shape, mix of course, and then our drive amount. Love it. Let's check out AudioHertz AC-1. Shout out to AudioHertz. I love their plugins. They have the fan that's like a tremolo effect. I just did a video on it. You should check that out because it's awesome. Take it all away. No, not another day. Oh, I don't need your love. No, I don't need your love. Ooh. Take it all away. No, not another day. Oh, I don't need your love. No, I don't need your love. Awesome. You can always hover over these things and it tells you what it does because, like, you know, it's not a traditional button. Exactly. I love it. I love it. Thermal. This has to be one of my favorite plugins of all time. Not gonna lie. Because it does do a little bit more than, okay, it does a lot of it more than just distortion. Check this out. Take it all away. No, not another day. Oh, I don't need your love. No, I don't need your love. Dude. Oh, I don't need your love. No, I don't need your love. You might want to get this plugin for other reasons. It can definitely be your go-to saturation plugin, but oh, I'm sorry, I geek out on this plugin. I just want to show you under the hood. You can do so much. Like, come on. Should I just do like a whole video on thermal? Drop a comment. You know what to do. Decapitator by Soundtoys. Let's listen. Take it all away. No, not another day. Oh, I don't need your love. No, I don't need your love. Clean. Take it all away. No, not another day. Oh, I don't need your love. No, I don't need your love. Yes. I love adjusting the tone, the darkness, brightness, and the drive. I'm probably playing around with these two knobs quite a bit. Let's check out Fuel. Choose a preset. Here we go. And most of these are not intended for vocals, but whatever, we're gonna do it anyway. Oh, I love this plugin. What do the bass ones sound like? Okay, if you are a producer, obviously this video is about what it sounds like on vocals, but saturation on bass. Put saturation on your bass. That's all I'm gonna say. Come on, the crunch slide, like, it's so dirty and it's so clean at the same time. I don't even know what to say about that. All right, nobody is allowed to sleep on saturation plugins anymore after this video. And we have more plugins to play with. I've got so much more for you to hear in this playlist right here where I run my vocals through tons of plugins. Request a plugin, drop me a comment, let me know which one you want me to try next. Hit that subscribe button for me and I will see you in the next video.